This is the Perseus running that I got from Odalon. I only got it yesterday. Unfortunately, I made a bit of a boo-boo when I was doing up the steam pipe. I spoke to Odalon, I spoke to Oz Demon, and they gave me some pointers. And you'll see that little joiner on the brass, that little brass joiner there on the copper tube. I did that, and I had to change the exhaust a little bit because I had to steal the spigot and the nut from there to go onto the steam chest. But now she's running. This is an absolutely beautiful engine, Odalon. Mate, to say that I'm over the moon would be the understatement of the year. I've said it on the forum a few times now, and probably everyone's getting sick of it, but this is absolutely superb. Absolutely beautiful. There's my dog, Blue. Blue, sit. Sit down. Good boy. You're on YouTube, Blue. Smile. Blue. Good boy. Okay, enough of the dog, back to the engine. So there we are, folks. The Perseus running like a dream down under. Absolutely beautiful. I'm so happy with her. Around the back. It's so quiet. You might not even be picking up much noise at all on the video, but this is the smoothest running, the most awesome engine, and I know I'm only new to it, but this has blown me away. Bye now, everyone.